Who is BMW company CEO? Harald Elson. BMW company CEO is Harald Elson. Who is Bajaj company CEO? Rajiv Bajaj. Bajaj company CEO is Rajiv Bajaj. Who is Coca-Cola company CEO? James Quincey. Coca-Cola company CEO is James Quincey. Who is Dabur company CEO? Mohit Malhotra. Dabur company CEO is Mohit Malhotra. Who is eBay company CEO? Jamie Enon. eBay company CEO is Jamie Enon. Who is Facebook company CEO? Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook company CEO is Mark Zuckerberg. Who is Instagram company CEO? Adam Mosseri. Instagram company CEO is Adam Mosseri. Who is YouTube company CEO? Susanne Wojcicki. YouTube company CEO is Susanne Wojcicki. Who is Twitter company CEO? Parag Agarwal. Twitter company CEO is Parag Agarwal. Who is Wikipedia company CEO? Jimmy Wales. Wikipedia company CEO is Jimmy Wales. Who is Google company CEO? Sundar Pichai. Google company CEO is Sundar Pichai. Who is Alphabet company CEO? Sundar Pichai. Alphabet company CEO is Sundar Pichai. Who is WhatsApp company CEO? Will Cathcart. WhatsApp company CEO is Will Cathcart. Who is Yahoo company CEO? Jim Langone. Yahoo company CEO is Jim Langone. Who is Adobe company CEO? Santanu Narayan. Adobe company CEO is Santanu Narayan. Who is Netflix company CEO? Reed Hastings. Netflix company CEO is Reed Hastings. Who is Amazon company CEO? Andy Jassy. Amazon company CEO is Andy Jassy. Who is Flipkart company CEO? Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Flipkart company CEO is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Who is Myntra company CEO? Nandita Sinha. Myntra company CEO is Nandita Sinha. Who is Alibaba company CEO? Daniel Zhang. Alibaba company CEO is Daniel Zhang. Who is Ola company CEO? Bhavish Agarwal. Ola company CEO is Bhavish Agarwal. Who is Oyo company CEO? Rohit Kapoor. Oyo company CEO is Rohit Kapoor. Who is Paytm company CEO? Varun Sridhar. Paytm company CEO is Varun Sridhar. Who is PepsiCo company CEO? Raman Laghuvatta. PepsiCo company CEO is Raman Laghuvatta. Who is Patanjali company CEO? Acharya Balakrishna. Patanjali company CEO is Acharya Balakrishna. Who is Sansar TV company CEO? Ravi Kapoor. Sansar TV company CEO is Ravi Kapoor. Who is Ferrari company CEO? Benedetto Vigna. Ferrari company CEO is Benedetto Vigna. Who is TikTok company CEO? Shou Ji-chew. TikTok company CEO is Shou Ji-chew. Who is Intel company CEO? Pat Gelsinger. Intel company CEO is Pat Gelsinger. Who is Microsoft company CEO? Satya Nadella. Microsoft company CEO is Satya Nadella. Who is Infosys company CEO? Salil Parekh. Infosys company CEO is Salil Parekh. Who is Walmart company CEO? Doug McMillon. Walmart company CEO is Doug McMillon. Who is Apple company CEO? Tim Cook. Apple company CEO is Tim Cook. Who is Reliance company CEO? Mukesh Ambani. Reliance company CEO is Mukesh Ambani. Who is TVS company CEO? Rajesh Gopinathan. TVS company CEO is Rajesh Gopinathan. Who is OnePlus company CEO? Pete Lau. OnePlus company CEO is Pete Lau. Who is Tata Motors company CEO? Mark Listasella. Tata Motors company CEO is Mark Listasella. Who is Dell company CEO? Michael S. Dell. Dell company CEO is Michael S. Dell. Who is Zoom app company CEO? Eric Yuan. Zoom app company CEO is Eric Yuan. Who is Sony company CEO? Kenichiro Yoshida. Sony company CEO is Kenichiro Yoshida. Who is Samsung India Electronics company CEO? Sanjeev Kumar. Samsung India Electronics company CEO is Sanjeev Kumar. Who is VI company CEO? VI means Vodafone and Idea. Ravinder Tucker. VI company CEO is Ravinder Tucker. Who is Tesla company CEO? Elon Musk. Tesla company CEO is Elon Musk. Who is Royal Enfield company CEO? B. Govindarajan. Royal Enfield company CEO is B. Govindarajan. Who is HP company CEO? Enrique Larse. HP company CEO is Enrique Larse. Who is Nike company CEO? John Donahoe. Nike company CEO is John Donahoe. Who is Adani Group company CEO? Karan Adani. Adani Group company CEO is Karan Adani. Who is UIDAI CEO? UIDAI means Unique Identification Authority of India. Saurabh Garg. UIDAI CEO is Saurabh Garg. Who is Ayushman India CEO? R.S. Sharma. Ayushman India CEO is R.S. Sharma. Who is SBI Card CEO? Hardayal Prasad. SBI Card CEO is Hardayal Prasad. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్. ఈ వీడియోకి సంబంధించిన తెలుగు వెర్షన్ అనేది లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తున్నాను, అందులో చూడండి. ఇందులో ఏవైనా తప్పులు ఉంటే దయచేసి సరిదిద్దుకోండి. అలాగే మీరు నా ఈ ప్రయత్నాన్ని ఆదరిస్తారని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మీరు ఈ వీడియోని ఎక్కడా స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి.